e-commerce. I'm Finch, your guide to the fascinating world of web development. Today, we'll delve into the ins and outs of creating websites, designing user interfaces, and coding. Whether you're a novice or someone brushing up on their skills, this lesson is designed to help.
Hello students, I'm Professor Juliet, and today we're going to be talking about a field that's rapidly changing the way we understand the world around us, data science. Data science is an exciting and growing field that involves
You've completed the lesson on if you're looking for information on web development, look no further. We can provide you with all the details you need to know about creating websites, designing user interfaces, coding, and more. Please feel free to ask your doubts, and I'll help you understand better. What would you like to ask?
What is web applications?
Web development. Web applications are software programs accessed through a web browser over a network.
What is HTML?
Used to create and design web pages. It structures the content by using elements and tags to define headings, paragraphs,